To our webinar, Introduction to Marketing. I'm Jiggy Patel, Head of Customer Experience here at Gold-Vision, and I'm going to give you an insight and introduction into using Gold-Vision for marketing. We're going to briefly run through creating and running a campaign, email design using Gold-Vision Connect, our email marketing tool, sending a campaign, reviewing the results of your campaign, and how to retrieve that information, but also how to manage follow-up stages using Gold-Vision and even automating those follow-up stages. So let's look in Gold-Vision. Gold-Vision marketing can be created from any list in Gold-Vision. As an organization, you may be using the lead management area and capturing lists of data. It may be unqualified from purchase lists. You may be using our web form integration to automatically pull leads from your website into the Gold-Vision lead management area. If you are using lead management, certainly you can use the leads to create nurture campaigns using Gold-Vision. Alternatively, campaigns can be created from either a list of contacts or a list of companies that match certain criteria, such as customers or prospects. Or you may want to create marketing for anyone that's purchased a certain product within the last 6 months, or has an open opportunity above a certain value, for instance. For this webinar, we're going to filter a list of contacts who are prospects in Gold-Vision and filter that data, but I might want to pull just contacts that have the word director in their job title. By using a wildcard, I can search for particular terms, for instance, but you can complete as many search criteria as you want to, and then click the action to create that campaign. For this webinar, we're going to create a quick campaign which will automatically create the structure of that campaign for us. It will create a campaign at high level, a stage within that campaign, and a source, which is now going to be my prospect directors, as I'm going to name them. Alternatively, I might just create a source, or if I've previously created a source, I might add to that existing source. But we're going to generate a quick campaign that's going to build that tree for us. I'm going to use Gold-Vision Connect as my tool for building my initial campaign, but you'll note there are other methods that we can use for campaigns. Your administrator will help you configure campaign stages for Gold-Vision, and these are used for your recipient preference data, for instance for opt-in and opt-out for the type of mailing that you're choosing. And like I say, these can be configured to your needs. So let's select a nurture campaign and click OK to open our campaign. As I mentioned, a quick campaign has now created for me the campaign and a stage within that campaign. And that stage is just refreshing for me, but when I click to look into that particular campaign stage, it tells me it's going to use Gold-Vision Connect to run this stage and how many recipients I have as part of that particular stage. Now, from here, I can add additional sources if I wanted to, and these might be sources that I either include or a specific source that I might want to exclude from being sent to. And as well as that, I can see recipients who are valid and invalid from that particular area. Now, a recipient might be invalid for email if they've previously unsubscribed from mailing from us, or we don't have an email address in Gold-Vision, or the email address isn't of the right format, for instance. At this stage, it allows you to review the data that you have before you actually progress to sending that particular campaign. And from within that stage, you may want to add or exclude recipients manually as well. From here, if you're not using Gold-Vision Connect, you may want to simply export that list of recipients using the action button and use that data in a different location if you wanted to. But for this purpose, I'm going to click back to my high-level campaign and simply click to run my campaign and upload that to the Gold-Vision Connect area where I can design my template. Now, to use Gold-Vision Connect, you will need a subscription to connect, so do get in touch with us if you don't have a valid Gold-Vision Connect subscription. You may also subscribe as an add-on to our marketing automation module, where in this area here you can schedule your stages to be run at a particular date and time using a specific template. So for this purpose, we're going to manually run our campaign and upload that to Gold-Vision Connect. Now, to access Gold-Vision Connect, click on the storefront icon and click into Connect. And if you are a user, it will automatically log you in. Now, from the Connect area, your campaign will be uploaded, where now you can simply apply a template design, either using our drag and drop menu editor, or if you have a predetermined HTML template, that can be uploaded at this stage. I'm going to click to use our drag and drop editor, and either I can start from a blank template, or I can use one of our stock templates or a template that I've previously used. Clicking into the Stock Templates tab, I'm going to apply one of our previously generated templates and upload that into the template that I'm now creating. And very simply, I can use the elements on the left of the screen as drag and drop to add either an image or maybe some text into this particular template that I'm selecting. Double-clicking into any text will show you that you can include tags to personalize your template design using tags from Gold-Vision. For instance, I may want to put the person's name within that mail shot, or include the account manager's details, but also links. My Gold-Vision Connect template will automatically have the unsubscribe element at the bottom of the template as the email is sent, but you may want to click additional links within your template design that are clickable for a user to see. At this point, you can save your template, you can preview your template and print it. If I'm previewing my template, I can choose a number of different modes to look at the best way to design it for the mode that I'm expecting my recipients to be looking at it on. I can apply a from subject, a from address, a subject, and attachments at this stage if I wanted to, but simply progress to sending my mail shot, applying that I've read the terms and conditions, and either schedule this template for later to be sent or send it straight away. Gold-Vision Connect is really simple to work with, and it's very quick to work with your recipients list in Gold-Vision and your template design in Gold-Vision Connect, but then bring the two together when you're ready to send your mail shot. When you're ready, simply click the send button. As soon as your mail shot is sent, from within Gold-Vision Connect, I have reporting that enables me to see a tab where I can see how many recipients were sent to, how many were delivered, did any bounce, who opened the mail shot, how are the people viewing that email, what times of day, for instance. This reporting information, certainly in terms of the valid, the bounce data and the click-through data, will also automatically feed back into Gold-Vision against the campaign that you've created. So here's a campaign that I created earlier where we can review some of those results. Here I can see that that campaign was run and the recipients that were included in that campaign. When a campaign has been run in Gold-Vision, the upload data and the information that you see in Gold-Vision Connect will come back and be saved against the company, the account, and the contact in Gold-Vision, so you can see reporting against a company and a contact as to who has opened, clicked through, and viewed that information. But here again, against this campaign, Because that data is synchronized with Gold-Vision Connect, I can see how many were valid, who opened, and who clicked a link to view that mail shot further. Because this data is automatically synchronized within Gold-Vision, I can now create a number of different stages with rules to apply that data so that I can create follow-up stages. If I want to create a follow-up stage from my initial campaign or from previous stages that have been run, simply click to add a follow-up stage. Add the type of data that you want to send here. So this might be to send a brochure to anyone that clicked any link in my mail shot. Set the type of campaign that this is, and again, this is a nurture campaign, and save my stage. At this stage, I can add follow-up rules, and my follow-up rules might be based on my initial email send. For instance, someone has clicked any link, or the rule might be based on data from within Gold-Vision. So for instance, I might want to send this particular mail shot to anyone that has an open opportunity at a certain stage. So by selecting that data from here, I can pick the information, add the rule, and when I'm now looking at my high-level campaign, I can see all of the stages that were included, and then track who is within each of those particular stages. Using our marketing automation module, you may want to automate the campaign runs also. Now that I have my campaign and my stages set, it's really a case of tracking the data and knowing what needs to happen either in a further stage or reviewing the reporting information from Gold-Vision. When my campaigns are run, we have a number of data sources that get updated. For instance, show me all the campaign contact recipients or everyone that's clicked a link in my campaign. And using those lists, of course, within Gold-Vision, I may want to create a dashboard so that I have this data to hand quite quickly. Here's a dashboard that I've created earlier, and it simply has at the top of the screen the contact relationships that I have in Gold-Vision, how many prospect contacts I might have, how many customer contacts I may have, and I may want to show that data filtered further so that I can quickly get to those lists and use them. But I've also simply added how many campaigns have been run this year, the campaigns by month, and a simple card view of the campaigns that I have available currently that I'm running on a week-by-week or month-by-month basis so that I've got them quickly to hand. Thank you for watching our on-demand webinar for an introduction to marketing. For further information, please do visit our help site where there are available resources, and we have a YouTube channel as well as live webinars available. Thank you very much.